Hello my dear student of class 10, welcome to my class. Today chapter 12, lecture 6. Our topic is concept of economic growth. So what is economic growth? Economic growth is an increase in the production of economic goods and services compared from one period of time to another. It can be measured in nominal or real terms, and that should be adjusted for inflation. So the rate of annual growth of national income of a country is called the rate of growth or growth rate. In Bengali, growth rate means or economic growth means অর্থনৈতিক প্রবৃদ্ধি. Okay. Now economic growth is caused by two main factors. Number one, an increase in aggregate demand and an increase in aggregate supply. Aggregate means total demand and total supply. Economic growth only comes from increasing the quality and quantity of the factors of production. That means which consist of four broad types: land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Clear? There are three main factors that derive economic growth. Number one, accumulation of capital stock. Number two, increases in labor inputs such as workers or working hours. Number three, technological advancements. So if these three sectors there will be positive impact, that means economic growth will be held. So the total output of the economy can be measured in two distinct ways. Number one, gross domestic product, which adds consumption, investment, government expending and net exports, and gross domestic income, which adds labor compensation, business profit and other sources of income. Now, what is inflation? Inflation in Bengali it is called mudra sphiti. Okay, so increasing of general price level and decreasing of purchasing capacity of currency is called inflation. That means when we spend more money for buying a small product, okay, or less amount of product, that time that is called inflation. That means the price level will be increases and the quantity will be decreases. That means when we spend more money for buying little amount of goods, that is called the inflation. Now, inflation can occur when prices rise due to increases in production cost, such as raw materials and wages. When inflation is too high in course, it is not good for the economy or individuals. Inflation will always reduce the value of money. Understand? So, here I have given some inflation rate of Bangladesh. In 2019, the inflation rate it was 5.69%, 2018 5.63%, 2017 5.61% and 2016 5.68%. Now, economic development. It means অর্থনৈতিক উন্নয়ন. Okay. So before economic development, what is development? Development, it is the blooming of intrinsic power. It means prosperity. Clear? Development is a process that creates growth, progress, positive change or the addition of physical, economic, environmental, social and demographic components. Clear? So here one picture, that is, this is the picture of South Korea in 1960, and after some years, that means in 2020, the picture of Korea is this. Okay. Now, in 1970, the picture of Pabna is this, and in 2020, okay, the picture of Pabna is this. So, it is called development. Clear? So, when the structure development will be held in a country, that is called development. Now, what is economic development? Making and development of overall socio-economic prosperity by utilizing the assets and potentials of our country called economic development. It takes population and price level into consideration along with the rate of growth and increase of real per capita income. That means when our economic growth will sustain for a long time, that is called economic development. Clear? So this is the traditional agriculture system. Okay. Now, due to economic development, this is our modern agriculture system. Clear? Now, so in past, the children are involved in working. Okay, that is child labor there. Now the children, they are going to school, so it means also economic development. Now if the in past the capital is less, and if in future if our capital formation will be more, that is also called economic development. Now the relation between growth rate, population growth rate, PCI, price of goods and economic development. Clear? So if growth rate is 2%, population growth is 2%, that time there will be no development or there will be no economic development. Clear? But if growth rate will be 5% and population growth is 3%, that means over here economic development will be held. Now considering per capita income. If per capita income increases at 5% rate and price of goods is increases also 5% rate, that means in that time we can't save any capital, okay, for our future, and there will be no economic development. But in case of this, if per capita income increases 5% rate and price of goods increases at 3% rate or decreases at 3%, that means in this case economic development will be held here. Clear? Now there are some factors of economic development. The most commonly used measures of economic development are: number 1, GNP and per capita income, population growth, occupational structure of the labor force, urbanizations, consumption per capita, infrastructure, social conditions and literacy rate. Okay. The most common indicators of economic development are gross domestic product, that means GDP, per capita income, the poverty level, life expectancy, the proportion of workers in agriculture and changes in the physical quality of life. So on the basis of this factor, we can measure the economic development. Now, how does economic development sustain for long period of time? Number 1, if the change of economic structure will be held. That means if the loan disbursement program of banks and other financial organization is extended. If the transport and communication system is developed. If development takes place in marketing system of goods and services. If developed technology and strategy are used in production. If disparity or inequality in the distribution of the produce assets or national income decreases in the society. Now, second, changes take place in social structure. if good governance is established. Number 2, if the scope of education and the facilities of healthcare reach to all levels of the people. 3, the natural change. The natural change means the turn of economy from the state of being agriculture based into being industry based. Number 1, if the country is transformed from rural economy to urban based economy, as a result, what happened? As a result, income of the people will be increased, the rate of savings and capital will be increased, unemployment rate will be decreased, and production will be increased. Okay, so in conclusion, we can tell that if the per capita real income of the people of a country continues to increase for a long time because of gradual development of socio-economic infrastructure and natural change of economy of a country, and if equitable distribution of income is ensured, this state is called economic development. Okay. Now, what is sustainable growth? Sustainable growth or sustainable economic growth means a rate of growth which can be maintained without creating other significant economic problems, especially for future generations. There is clearly a trade-off between rapid economic growth today and growth in the future. Okay. So, up to this everyone, stay at your home safely. Thank you.